My name's Angelo Balistreri. Welcome to this FIAT PKn5. That's product knowledge in less than 5 minutes, where we jump into a particular item or series and not only go over the features and the benefits, but provide you with additional resources that can help promote the item at hand. This PKn5 is going to be focused on an unsung hero here at FIAT, our gaskets. These provide that watertight connection from the FIAT product to the drainage system. Let's get into the product. At FIAT, we offer 10 different gaskets depending on which product you purchase and what piping system you're using for your drainage. We have a QDC series, and that stands for Quick Drain Connector, and those will work with our stainless steel drain bodies. Then we also offer a QIC series, and this is a Quick Integral Drain Connector, which works with our molded stone products that have the drain embedded into it already, no stainless steel body. Now, depending on which piping system you're using will also be a determining factor of which gasket you're going to need. Are you using PVC? Are you using steel? Are you using cast iron or copper? Are you doing 2-inch? Are you doing 3-inch? All those play a factor in determining the appropriate gasket. At the end of this video, we will provide you with an additional resource that covers which gaskets work with which product and which drainage systems. Now, regarding the gasket itself, we utilize a high-grade rubber that provides superior water sealing properties as well as longevity. Most of our gaskets will last an average of 30 years in service, and we're seeing in some cases 40 to 50 years before they need to be replaced. Now, installation couldn't be easier. All you need to do is ensure that your drainage pipe does not protrude more than 1.25 inches into the drain itself. Your gasket will slide between the drain body and over the piping system. You will want to utilize a soapy solution if it is tough to get in. Please do not use any penetrating oils as it may deteriorate the rubber and affect the water sealing properties. When you get your gasket fully seated over your piping system, please ensure that the pipe does not protrude above the gasket. It should be level or slightly below your gasket to ensure water drains into your drainage system. We also want to ensure that your gasket is fully seated. You may believe you have it fully in with your hands. We would highly recommend that you take a hammer and a wooden block and tap around the edges to ensure it's fully seated and it gives the best compression between your piping system and the drain body itself. The last step would be let's test for leaks. You will plug your drain pipe and you will fill the receptor with water, mark the level, and then a couple hours later check to see if the water level has dipped below that line, in which case may lead to a gasket leak that we would want to fix before finishing the job. After you've done your leak and everything's complete, we would then attach our stainless steel strainer and your installation would be complete. Now let's talk about which gaskets work with which products. Now that's a lot of information coming at you all at once, and we'd ask you, share it. Get this information out to your customers so they know what FIAT gasket they need. Thank you for joining us on this PKn5.